Hey, what's happening? Check it out. Look what I just got, man. I just opened this up. Yeah, did you get yours? Man, you got to check this thing out. This is sick. Okay, look at the information inside of it. This is actually more than an event guide. So if you haven't registered for November 16th, 17th, and 18th, the ultimate admin, inside sales agent, OSA workshop. If you haven't registered for that, that's a big mistake. Go pull your event guide. Just open it up to any page, and it will pump you up to be there on those 3 days. We're going from 10 a.m. Eastern time, that's 7 a.m. on the West Coast, all the way to 5 p.m. Eastern time, which is 2 p.m. on the West Coast every day for 3 full days. You're going to get Craig Proctor, #1 real estate agent in history. Okay, all right, inventor, founder of the Quantum Leap system, along with just about everything else that works in this industry. You get me, his #1 protege. Okay, #1 copier in chief. That's right, I'm a good copier, no question about that. I think you guys would agree. Okay, and a panel, a whole host of super multi-millionaire real estate agents who had their rags to riches story with this great system. 3 days, but you got to show up. So go pull your event guide. Okay, now the theme here is about you improving your people, which includes you, your processes, and your results. So write that down: your people, your processes, and your results. Now, the reason we've set this up at the end of the year, okay, is so to make next year, guaranteed next year, better for you. Okay, attend this meeting, November 16th, 17th, and 18th, this conference, the ultimate admin ISA OSA super conference, okay, attended to improve your people, processes, and your overall results. I can assure you next year, it will be a better year because of it. Okay, look, growing a real estate business is a bit complicated. Would you agree? We all want to get it right, and we exist to help. Okay, so this is it. Show up to go up. Are you guys ready? I am. All right, I want to thank everybody who's made this thing possible, including our amazing panel of guest presenters. Okay, I can't wait to see you guys present on these topics, and I want to thank everybody who's volunteered to do that. That's right, they're all volunteers. Imagine a 7-figure income earner saying, I want to present to the Craig Proctor system members something that's working really well in my business that can help them. I want to present that. Okay, so man, I want to thank you guys for doing that. All right, great job. See you guys November 16th, 17th, and 18th. Okay, pull out your event guide. Just flip it to any page you want to. Okay, and I can assure you, you'll get pumped up. Look at there, there's Tracy. Tracy King. Okay, Kings of Real Estate there in Tennessee. Just any page, just flip it open and you'll be like, yeah, I got to be there for that. Okay, we're looking for 100% attendance on this. Okay, so any issues or questions about it, reach out to us. You can hit Craig's office up. You can get our team in Atlanta, the Platinum team. We're here to help you. Make sure that you show up to go up, and we're going to pour everything we got into you. It will be one of the best digital conferences on improving your people and your processes to get better results than you've ever attended. That I can assure you. Okay, it's like an OSA workshop on steroids. All right, let's do it. Go serve big. See you.